Hi, I'm Tammy Juco and this is Frog Kicks on a Ball. In starting out, make sure you place your hips right over top the center of the ball. Have your hands underneath your shoulders, supporting your torso. Feet are about 45-degree angles. Bend the knees and bring the feet together so the toes are pointing up. And then you're going to use your hamstrings and your glutes to press your feet up as high as you can, squeezing your bum at the top, and then letting the legs come down and drop below your hip level. Keep the knees wide and keep breathing throughout. Your torso doesn't move at all, so try to keep that still. You're going to do 15 to 20 reps of these, and then hold it up as high as you can and squeeze while you count to 15 or 20, and then do little pulses right at the top of that movement for 15 to 20. By the end of this, your bum should be burning. If not, you need to do more reps of each. If you need it a little bit easier, just take your feet out wide again, toes touching the ground. Again, upper body is being supported, and just lift from your hips and your glutes with the legs straight as high as you can, squeezing the hamstrings and the glutes. This is great for the butt, the hamstrings, and just a great rear view.